Hello mga ka-vloggers! So welcome back to my channel. Kamusta kayong lahat? So for today's video, meron tayong dumating na isang delivery from a friend of ours dahil naghahanap tayo ng limited edition. Yes sir, yes ma'am. Limited edition ng pabango. Of course, dahil collectors tayo, nag-subscribe ako ulit at gumawa ng paraan para makabili ng panibagong iba-vlog natin ngayon. So, alcohol muna natin siya. Alright. So, hindi ko na papayad yung details. Ayan.
That's a kick.
So, let's open up this one carefully. Pinabura yung let's see. Sealed na sealed siya. And, oops. Dahil mabait ang kumari natin, meron tayong free gift. Bongga. Ang cute. Meron din tayong yes, pantali sa buhay. Factory banded. Yan, kailangan natin. Okay, so may freebie siya. And secure na secured and sealed. Let's open up. Carefully. Ayan, so alam nyo na yung size niya. And yan na siya. Tadan! Hello! Welcome to the family. Ito ang Victoria's Secret Rose Elixir. Sorry, medyo yung light nagre-reflect siya. Pero yes, dahil isa to sa mga limited edition, collector kasi ako ng Victoria's Secret. Ito na naman, may tayong additional sa family. Alright? Set aside for now. And then, let's have another one. Okay, cherry elixir ulit. So, yes, ganito yung tsura niya. And, talagang sinabi ng friendship natin na sobrang bango daw ng dalawang to. So, try natin siya. Alright.
That's a kick.
So, for now, let's try to open our free gift. Thank you so much. Again, yung website na pwede nyong i-visit is actually on the Facebook. It's collectionista.ph. Thank you so much, Mare. Ayan. Cannabis pa nga. Well, actually, isa rin to sa mga sikat na pabango niya. Ito yung pinaka-sample. Never ko pa na-try to. So, most likely mabango to. Okay, pang-alternative natin pampaso. And, meron din ingredient. And, pagkali sa to. Para sa makakapag-year. Yun lang. So, magre-review tayo sa susunod ulit. And thank you so much for watching my short video. Maraming salamat everyone. Please like, subscribe, and share. Babush!